Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this first entry is from Maram Blagoue. That's her YouTube and Instagram name. This is her entry. Look at you guys. Look at these embellishments. So she's got the cute little topper. And thank you for joining Maram because she said this was her first time. So shine bright. She's got the little ephemera pieces layered up on here. She's embossed this background paper with floral embossing. And look at these flowers layered multiple times. She's got the little centers. Love, love, love. Look at this beautiful rosette. It's got a little butterfly, the flowers. Hello, friend. And we have this one down here. So cute. This little heart die cut on the top. These are like 2 layered rosettes. And then we got more pastel colored flowers down here. These are so cute. And look at this cute little, like, kind of like an embellishment box. I just got one of these in another entry, like this style. Let's open this bad boy and look at how her die cuts came, you guys. So she sent in, look at, she's cut it multiple times, this really pretty bow, and then she put little center pieces in the center. Super cute. And then on this little pocket right here, we have the little, like a Maggie Holmes flower right here. Yes, girl, I love the glitter and the golds. Perfect. And then this one, we have like a doily style one. She's cut out multiple times. Love that paper. Ah! It's a doggy balloon, which are like my favorite. I don't know why. Like, does anybody else like think that's like the super cutest thing ever? So it's like birthday theme. So cute. It's my 1-year anniversary. Let's celebrate. And then this folds up together. She decorated the top of this and then did a doily style embelly right here. This just slides in like that. Super cute. And then this handmade right here. I don't know what this is because that's her entry, I think. Just extra goodies probably. Cute little envelope. It's got a little belly band on it. Even more die cuts, except for, or like embellies, I guess. Look at this little tree. She's put little gems and butterflies peeping out of here. Look at this, you guys. They're just like within the branches and stuff. How cute is that? And it's all puffed up, so it's like a layered tree. Cute little topper. So cute. And we got this one right here. Oh, look at that hello die, you guys. Gorgeous, right? I love that like wreath style with the hello, that font. So cute. Then we have this. She cut out more dies. This like heart scalloped style doily heart, if that makes sense. Look at the cute little bow up here. Some doodle bug paper. Okay, we did those 3, and then look at this one, thinking of you, and she's cut it out a couple times. Got the little topper at the top. Look at this. You did great, Marianne. Doesn't look like it's your first challenge entry. Angie Puente, and this is what she sent in, and look at her card, you guys. Look at that cute hello that Marianne just gifted me some die cuts like this. Got the gold, the little Maggie Holmes paper, super cute. Then hers came in this little box right here. I love this trim. Where did you get this trim? It's like a peachy soft pink with some gold on the very ends. She's got it in this cute little box. Okay, let's see what, oh, she made like a, oh my gosh, it's like a I don't know what this is called, a flip book kind of. Look how cute. She got it in that cute little box. Look, you guys, look how cute. Okay, she doesn't have a YouTube or Instagram, you guys, but it's just her name. She goes by her name on here. So she's got this cute, like, the little things are often the biggest things. She decorated it. She's got the little hole reinforcers. Believe in yourself. This makes me smile. So cute. And she's got these cute little Polaroid style embellishments, like the little flamingo on there. Hello, gorgeous. Be unique. It's like an embellishment flip tag book. And she's got these cute little rosettes right here with the twine, or not twine, thread in the background. Maggie Holmes paper, yes. Oh, look how tiny cute these are. Oh my, you guys can't really tell. Let me do my thumb. Now you can. Like how small these are and how cute in comparison to like a normal size, like award ribbon embellishment. These are so cute and tiny. See the little Hobby Lobby swans, you can tell. Angie, these are so cute. And then on the very back, so that's the front, and it just sits up like this. And on the back, she's got her little die cuts included. Let's see what's in here. Let's see, lots of fun Maggie Holmes paper. She's got little scallops, lots of scallops, like the award style, so I can make my own. Little butterflies, a little anchor, love that diamond. And it's cut out in like a vellum-y gold, super cute. Little arrows and flowers. So many goodies. Thank you, girly. And thank you for playing. I love this. This is my first flip tagamaroo thing. So cute. Okay, the next one is from Veronica Torres. She's Pretty Paper Things here on YouTube and Instagram. And this is what she sent in. So this is her cute little note, you know, shows her info. And then these are her embellishments. And then she even sent in like more blank. Okay, she got her little shaker bits in there. Look how cute. So she's got like an epoxy style award ribbon, you guys. She made these. I know she makes a lot of TNs and dangles and stuff. So she made this. How cute is that? And then look at this. It's a tiny little book, you guys. And she's layered it. She's got the binding on it. Look at the little tassel charm hanging. All the fun sequins in there. So cute. And she put foam tape on the inside so it's like thick like a book. And she's got the little magnums at the top with the trim. Super cute, girly. And then she sent in some little pre-made in gorgeous colors crepe paper rosettes. So thank you for those. And then these are her die cuts. Looking all gold everything. Yes, girly. She's got the little Eiffel Tower. Some cute, ooh, scissors. Yes, I'm obsessed with scissors. Look at this perfume bottle. Little doily style. Heart. Another doily style. And a locket. Super cute, girly. Thank you for sending these extras. So, so cute. Gabriella Alvarez, she's One Happy Planner on YouTube, and I don't know if she has on Instagram. I don't know if she has a YouTube. If not, I'll link it down below. This is from her. So cute and colorful. So I remember liking this. She's got a memory decks stitched. You know what? Let me take it out of this. Oh, well, yeah, she's got a note in there anyway, so I have to take it out. Thank you, Gabby. Super cute. Okay, so you guys, she made it a vellum shaker. Can you guys see that? I love how it like mutes the brightness of like anything that you put behind this this vellum. So cute. She's got the little rosette, and this crepe paper is like super soft. She's got the little unicorn all blinged out. Look at how cute. The little ice cream cone in the background. It's like an award style ribbon. And it says fun. I love these stickers for Michaels. So, so cute. Look at that. See? You can really see what it looks like. And I love that sound. It's like a rattlesnake. So cute, Gabby. Thank you. And then look at these. These are her. Well, let's look at the topper first because look how cute. She's layered it like a flag style, a little die cut, some trim, doily, fringing, ephemera, all sorts of cuteness, and even stitching peeping out right here. Holographic silver. Super cute. She's got little frame style ones. Ooh, and look at that glitter picker. I wonder if I just picked some of this up at Hobby Lobby. I don't even know. It is gorgeous though, like little frame style, almost like mirrors. And then she's got these cute, oh my gosh, look at those little strawberries with faces. Little tiny bag toppers. These are so cute. And I see a gold one peeping through as well. So, so cute. Oh, I didn't even realize I didn't get to the main course. So she's decorated with some washi. It says Embellies. Let's see. Oh, girl. Look how cute. So look at this little rosette right here. She's got the little trim and the stitching, the fringing, just like her little bag topper. So cute. Then she's decorated her little frame. Now I can make some. It says, love this. Love that little gem. And then she's got a cute, look at this, little bag topper, just like she sent me this bag topper, and I can decorate like this. She stitched it on there. Love this. Look at that unicorn. You're pure magic. These are so cute. Thank you, girly, for playing. Owl Make It Crafts, Monica, she had sent me the birthday card challenge, and it got lost for months, you guys, but it did show up. So, but she went ahead and sent some in anyway for this because I was already going to enter in here. Here's her cute little card, and these are her embellishments, you guys. Look at this cute little, oh, did you like tri-fold a doily? It kind of looks like that. I'm guessing that's what you did. Cute little stitch style circle with the panda. And she's got this cute little tag one that says sweet with the tool. Love this. Yeah, I think you just folded some doily. I'm not sure if that's what you did. It kind of looks like that. Super cool. And then we got a little tag right here. She used her, like, that punch to make that style of, like, when you rip a paper out of a binder. Then got this cute little panda and belly down here on a circle with some scallops. And then it says, "Be you bravely." Super cute little panda. And look at her topper. She's got a tool. Oh, yeah. So she's got a tool bow on top of like a regular paper bow. That's a good idea. Cute topper. And then these are her die cuts. Whoop. So she's got these cute little tags right here. These little doily style ones. Then we got this world, like it holds like a globe. Oh, it's the heart right here. It holds this little heart style globe, so I can layer those. Then the little hearts and doilies, and then some Maggie Holmes looking flowers. Those are so pretty. Thank you, girly, for playing. And you guys, that'll wrap up this group of entries, and on to the next one. Bye, guys.